Pallets are the most basic carriers in the supply chain. As cargo carrying units, they have been widely used in various supply chain links such as production, warehousing, logistics, and retail. A RFID electronic tag chip is installed and bound to the wooden pallet. The information of the RFID electronic tag on the pallet is quickly read and collected through the RFID reading and writing equipment. And the in and out operation control of the RFID pallet transportation link is quickly completed. RFID technology is a more professional and efficient information collection and data processing technology. With the advantages of long identification distance, high efficiency identification, batch collection, not easy to damage, and large storage capacity, it has greatly improved the work process in warehousing and logistics. Effectively improved the efficiency and transparency of the supply chain, and implemented efficient management of RFID tobacco logistics storage pallets. The Logistics Turnover Pallet Management System is designed for practical supply chain applications. It uses RFID technology to identify stacks of cigarettes and store the barcode information of cigarettes in stacks of cigarettes. It also uses the read-write function of RFID to combine barcodes with RFID electronic tags to realize factory scanning in units of stacks and commercial arrival scanning in units of stacks for cigarette distribution companies. From traditional pallets to RFID pallets, the transportation of whole cigarette pallets is unified, namely, unified pallet size, unified stacking method, and unified technical parameters and data format requirements for RFID electronic tags. Conveyor belt cigarette sorting control. To sort the cigarettes on the conveyor belt, multiple antennas are needed to form an RFID scanning tunnel to improve the first time rate. At the same time, the RFID reader needs to be connected to the conveyor belt or other control host. Reusable RFID tags and readers can form an economical and efficient RFID system. Tobacco warehouse delivery and receipt. When loading and unloading tobacco pallets in and out of truck compartments and containers, their metal boxes have strong reflections on radio waves, which seriously affects the effect and correctness of RFID reading. Multiple antenna interfaces can form a flexible scanning tunnel. It can effectively improve the reading effect and accuracy. Pallet packaging workstation. The RFID reader installed on the pallet packaging workstation needs to promptly identify and classify multiple batches of cigarettes on the pallet and associate them with the pallet marked with RFID. Overhead reading, through a fixed RFID reader and a group of antennas forming a downward covering scanning network. Efficient data reading and writing can be performed on cigarette pieces and pallets with upward-facing RFID tags. Especially for forklift operations, it is more convenient and effective. Manual mobile operation. Manual mobile operation requires specifying cigarette pieces and completing a series of operations. The mobile RFID reader and writer and the mobile computer form a mobile operation platform that can simultaneously read and write RFID tags and scan barcodes and perform corresponding processing. Storage and communication. PAN, LAN and WAN for different applications are constructed with peripherals and systems. Forklift mobile operation. Forklift mobile operation is the main operation mode of tobacco in warehouses and logistics centers. The mobile operation platform composed of mobile readers and onboard computers is particularly suitable for pallet cargo operations and RFID tag reading and writing, RFID tag printing and reading. RFID should have a multifunctional label printer. The printer follows the current RFID standards and can encode RFID tags and print barcodes, text and graphics at the same time without host system programming. It can work offline and complete printing and encoding tasks independently. The RFID electronic tag pallet is composed of a plastic pallet and an RFID electronic tag device. The RFID electronic tag is provided to the cooperative manufacturer to be installed in the plastic pallet or installed by itself in the early stage. It has the advantages of efficient transportation and circulation of traditional pallets and protection of cigarette quality. The pallet is easy to organize, store and recycle. The application of RFID technology in the intermodal transportation of tobacco and cigarette pallets has greatly improved the operating efficiency and quality, significantly improved the efficiency of unloading operations, and reduced the labor intensity of operators.